Hey there, this is Glenn from Cougar Chemical. I'm going to show you how to get bugs off a car, especially if they've been baked on. This is my work truck right here. I drive this every day. I drive it all over Mississippi and Tennessee and Arkansas, so of course I collect a lot of bugs on the road. Let me show you how to take it off. First step you're going to use is the Pro Bug Remover right here. This is a safe citrus-based product that you can use. You also need a bug sponge. This is going to be a firm one. You could also use one with a net on the back of your mitt. First step is just to spray the product on here. Go ahead and apply all over anywhere that has bugs. You're going to let the citrus soak in. It's going to do the work for you. This is also safe to use on glass, so you can use this on your glass to get the bugs off as well. This also does a good job on tree sap as well for you. As you can see, the bubbles right here are foaming up, so it's going to be real easy to get them off. Next, just use your sponge, and you're just going to wipe. All right, so step 2, after you've used the bug sponge and scrubbed the bugs off, your next step is going to be either to wipe it off with a microfiber towel, or you can use a bug sponge, again, to wipe it thoroughly with your soapy water. You can also use a foam cannon as your next step. You can foam up over top of the bug remover. It'll be perfectly safe, it won't harm the paint, and then you could just let the soap drip it down. Congratulations, you just got the bugs right off the front of your car without a pressure washer. Easy peasy. You can buy this product at cougarchemical.com or in store in Memphis at Cougar Chemical on New Getwell Road.